All right, we just received these, and that is 2.4 gig digital hi-fi wireless headphones by this company. And this is the info on them. 30 meters, 12 hours. I kind of like it. Let's check it out. We're gonna have to open it up. All right. So first of all, you've got all your cords. Put those there. And it looks like this is to plug in the system. This is, of course, a transformer. Turns it to 12 volt. And then now we've got to get the Headphones out. Hold it up. Bam, done. I mean, do we really need all the plastic? I don't know. There they are. Pretty good size. You know, should be okay. Let's look at the tower. There's your tower. There we go. So let's look at them. There's your power. And then there's your on and off switch. If you were going to go with the old analog style, you know, white and red plugs for your sound, you have that. You got coaxial, but we're going to use optical. So you've got optical here. And then you've got to choose whether you want audio, coaxial, or optical. We're going to put it to optical right now because that's what we're going to do. And it says AT&T. I don't know what that is. We'll have to read up on it. But that's your tower. And this is where they sit right on this. And if you look on here, you're going to see those little contacts. So this is the way it goes. And that's how it charges. Just like that. All right, so that looks pretty good. Let's set her down. Let's see what else comes with it. We do have the pamphlet that explains everything. It comes with this stuff here, which I can't read that. So, but it does have a warranty card, and it has the information for the company, email, and it talks to you about these batteries. They're already inside. You don't have to put them in. And here's your other cords, which we probably won't use these, but just depends on what kind of system you have at your house. If you got an old style TV or you got a new style TV, you would use these various cords here. This is the, you know, your regular headphone plug-in. That's this right here that would go into the headphones. And there's your old style analog stuff there. And that's it. That's the unboxing. And now we just got to put it together. Oh, this is your optical cable. This is what we're going to use right here. That's what we're going to be using. All right, so here's your optical cable. And I'll show you what it looks like on the end. If I can pull this off. That's what you plug into. You have to look at this because it's got a certain way that it goes in. You follow me? See how it's like round on one side, flat on the other. Same thing on this one. Now I've got an optical splitter so I can use soundbar and the headphones at the same time on my downstairs TV. But let me give you a little look on this. So you got to look at the way this is formed so that you know how to put it in. You see how it's a little bit rounded on this side and more flat on this side. So when you plug it in, you got to make sure you do that. But yeah, that's it right there, bam. Should be no problemo. Hopefully these will work really good. So if you look on the side of these, you're going to see there's a power button and then lower and higher sound right here. Not sure what that is. And then down here you would have your regular plug-in with where is it? Like this. No, not this. Sorry, this. So this is your, you know, old style plug-in here, which we won't use. And that's pretty much it right there. So that's how they work. And then we'll set them up and show you on the TV, of course. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.